This episode is sponsored by Wix.
So these things, they've been requested by a large number of you on Twitter, in the YouTube comments. You guys know I really enjoy looking at headphones. It's not very often that you get a completely new form factor in the headphone territory, in the headphone segment. We have earbuds, we have over-ear headphones, we have on-ear headphones, of course, with a headband associated. We have the full wireless stuff, of course, the very popular AirPods, now AirPods 2. So anyhow, here we end up on this, a completely new take. It's called human headphones, and when you wear it, that's what it looks like. It's crazy. How is it on there? How does it stay put? That's what's happening right here. She's wearing it, he's wearing it. For this to work out, it's gonna have to deliver sound quality above what the earbud is capable of. Big sound, full-size speaker driver. So that's what they say. Look, we're not trying to be as portable as the earbud, but we're gonna give you the sound quality. Listen out loud, put them together to activate a powerful Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so they also become a Bluetooth speaker. So now you got a portable speaker as well, which is on you at all times. Okay. Use your voice to make calls, send texts, and translate to 13 different languages, built-in translator. You could use that, Jack, on your travel. Heavily, highly requested from you individuals out there in the world. Look at that, that's the thing. That's the package. It's so interesting. Oh my goodness, it's like a little capsule. How do I even, oh, you just pull it apart, look at that. They're on and ready to pair. I guess when I peel this off, they're just in pairing mode. That's crazy simple. Ooh, that's some memory foam action. You see how that stays sitting down for a second? I guess this is for each individual is gonna be a bit different from that standpoint. So that moves around like that. I see microphones on the outside. How does this go? Let's find out. Oh, okay. So your ear is fitting in there. I should say I'm already having a very bizarre experience. Well, first of all, I look crazy. They're saying ready to pair, but they also went into a pass-through mode. So right now, I have crystal clear audio. Like you guys, myself, my own voice, and you guys. They're almost like hearing aids right now. Talk, Jack. Oh my God. Here we go. Let's get the human app. There's this install thing that I definitely should have paid attention to. Pull the hook. That goes around what they're calling the ear root. Did you know you had an ear root? No, you didn't. I feel like this guy with the slightly longer hair, it blends for him. Whether I'm wearing a hat or no hat, that is, you are gonna see that. And this is your charge cable. This is definitely proprietary. It's a nice little dock, and it's USB-C on the other end. A nice simple power brick to go with it. Fit attachment pads. Okay, so these are also memory foam, so you have options there. These are magnetic fit too. There's really a lot of magnetic stuff going on. And then look at the travel pouch, Jack. That's kind of nice, isn't it? Feels like a suede sort of finish. There's a silica gel inside. I'm not gonna throw it, Jack. It just wouldn't be very nice. Look how happy she is. You see, that's what happens. You buy these, that's what happens. I trust. Let's go. Pair it up. Okay, so this is nice. This is just as easy as pulling them apart. They turn on and connect to the last pair of devices. I love that. I like that. That type of interface, you don't even need to think about. You just close them down, that's it. Can I just say these are expensive? I feel like you're feeling that right now. I feel you probably feel that as you saw the package come out. What are we looking at price-wise, Willie Dude? Something, they got a price to them, don't they? $260, he says, and he was amplified when he said that because I heard. It's a hefty price tag. It might be the future though, so let's think about it. All right, touch controls. Tap to pause media playback, tap again to resume. Swipe forward to go forward, swipe back to go back, swipe up to increase volume. It's a typical touchpad. It's a common interface now. Press and hold either headphone to amplify outside sound. If I was playing music, they would shut off to isolate me a little bit, but then I would just tap over here. I'd just be like, okay, let's continue the conversation. I'm just tapping my module. Oh, now you're shut off. Now I'm muffled. Now it's terrible. And now you're back. It's night and day. Blend mode. So tapping the blend button in the app will toggle outside sound amplification for greater ambient awareness. And this now has become like a feature we expect in high-end headphones. We want this, we need this. Tapping the speaker button on your app allows you to transform your headphones into a portable speaker. It's a nice little touch. I mean, the teenagers, in the cafeteria, well, they might have a cool product here. Let's leave it in blend mode, and we'll go find some tunes. That's step one. We're gonna listen to some music. Can I do 60s soul? Is that all right with you? I'll get there. They're way better than earbuds, fine. They sound way better than AirPods. Like, way better than AirPods. It's a bigger speaker, right? I like technology, you know? Every so often, yeah, I sit over here, this and that. And then this comes along and I'm like, yeah, headphones, they're not done yet either. Nothing's done yet. Everything can be improved. Almost everything can be rethought. We can think of this differently. And I'm having a different experience right now. Let me just, okay, so other gestures, volume. Yeah, volume, okay, that works. Let's go next. Next track. Oh, I don't know, guys. I'm feeling something. I'm having something happen here. I'm tingling. It might be Sam Cooke. I don't know. It might be the fact that I feel unencumbered by any devices. Like I feel like I could bob and weave. A long time coming, but I don't know that they're gonna be for everyone. For me, this is not bothersome at all. I do feel them on top of the ear. Could they be even more invisible? Could they be even lighter? Maybe. Is it the hybrid they were aiming at? I think it is. We got Around the World. Remember that song? That is some old school. That's thick. That's thick. Sounds good, man. It's got bass to it. I mean, there's bass there. Oh, we got to do speaker mode real quick. Clasp headphones together to enable speaker. Okay. Boom. Speaker. Sweet. What? That's it? They know that they're in speaker mode.
Now, it's important to note that there's nothing official about these choices. But he says, I hereby order.
Nah.
From that moment forward, it's illegal.
You can't do that to me. You can't do that to me. The smartphone speaker is just as good as that. It doesn't sound that good. That's kind of weird. I think that was one of those bonus elements where they just wanted to be like, and it can do.
To make it difficult for me and my company to continue to do business the way that I'm doing it, I have to start to look at alternative track.
It sounds like a smartphone speaker, guys. That's not why you're buying this. That shouldn't be why you're buying this. Don't expect you're getting like legit Bluetooth speaker performance out of it. It's just, you could use it like that in a pinch. The translator, I don't know how many people are gonna be buying this for that purpose. Anyway, here, we're gonna showcase. We're gonna see if it's right or not. Here, English to Spanish. Hello, I'm hungry. I'd like to find a restaurant. Most importantly, I'm looking for a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm hearing Spanish in my ear right now. Hambriento te gustaría. Hungry, you'd like it. French to English. Je suis fatigué. Yeah, I am tired. So that could be cool. It works. Is this product the future of all headphones? I don't know. Not immediately. It takes time. It's expensive. It's different. And how many people are gonna take a chance on something that's this different? You'll probably be surprised at the audio performance. You'll probably be surprised at what they're capable of delivering at this form factor. Of course, it's not all rosy. This goes over the ear. I'm noticing right now, for example, my ears, they heated up a bit because they're completely covered, right? When you have these on, that does not happen with an earbud, AirPod, and so forth. From that standpoint, I think it will find an audience, but it's gonna take time to replace the more standard headphone earbud models. From a charging perspective, that is crazy simple. As far as we're concerned, you're not fiddling around with any connectors, which can be a headache. It feels futuristic because of all the magnets in play and the smoothness of it. It'll go on there either way. There's some cool people at this company, even if it's just from a design perspective. There's a lot of thought that has to go into a product like this. A lot of drawings. I mean, I appreciate the work. for a form factor that's so unusual. And I have to say, of course, it's only been one session at this point, but I'm impressed so far. This is a cool thing.
So my dog Otis just had puppies, and I want to show you guys how cute they are. So I'm making a website to share some pics of his puppies. I'm just gonna choose photography. Wix is a free platform that allows you to build highly customizable, robust, and professional websites. You can use the advanced drag and drop tools to build a website efficiently and quickly. Wix offers hundreds of templates, unlimited pages, and top-grade hosting for free. Or you can upgrade to a premium plan and get more features. It's pretty much the website that I wanted to build here. The Pomsky gang, Otis, and his family. And you can kind of see multiple pictures of his puppies here, all looking pretty cute. If you want to see Otis himself, here's a page for him specifically. You can check out his Instagram page. Boom, social media, done. Check out the link down below or go to wix.com/go/unbox to start your own website.